Every wall I ever built came crumbling down before. But your hand inside of mine feels like bedrock, something more. This ain't written on the wind.
Okay, sanibonani ekhaya, igama lami MK, and welcome to another episode yesebi. Today ngiphethe iCrutman guy. He's from Katlehong, and he's an artist. We're gonna get to know him, and we're gonna get to know him. I think that's why I'm busy like I today. I actually want to introduce him to you guys, and he's one of the young people abapushayo kakhulu kakhulu. So tayam
Ngimnandi njalo.
Sure. Yeah.
Woo. Hey. Yeah. Shaman ramen, eh? Hey. Yeah. It's that anime rap. Yeah, tough. Hey. Roll my boat gently down the stream. I've been in this trance, you know that life is but a dream. KRS with some Lil Wayne, no feeble game. Rap to me is like a spelling bee. Never punch lines on the stretches like rubber bands and taffy. Black licorice, I bet that shit might give you tooth decay. It's true to say that my bars take to ricochet. Had to say that word, it fascinates me like reciprocate. I think it's fair, I should edit in the same phrase, reciprocate. What about a little ricochet? It's hip hop at its finest, the shaman of ramen. And if you feel this, you've trapped inside a rabbit hole. Isaac Newton Wasekasi, aka So Science. I don't rap in vernacular. This is basic as a Rubik's Cube. At the same time, it's complex as an abacus. They can run with us, we chill on top of giant shoulder arms. Conversate with God's rap, cars. Reporting live from the Peace Rand. Rolling something potent while I parasite with the cigarette. It's always dope when lyrics flow on a different wavelength. Your path just beat like a drum that kicks on an instrumental. You know it's music when ears receive it, invoking feelings. I hope you listen and pay attention to what I'm saying. I'm not stopping, I'm stimulating your five senses. Adrenaline pumping and brightening what you might call receptives. Just cascade cases like power bearers in cemetery. The game ain't ready, you say to go and the sound is crazy. I just real quick cause I ain't got no time for slackers. The shaman of ramen. Hey.
Yeah. Yo, man's down. I did say this, but man's down.
Arigato.
Sure. Great.
Ngimnandi dog. Ngimnandi.
Basically, we recruitment yase K1. Yeah. Mna nyakava for sure. Nyakava. But ngicela introduce especially the community yala K1.
Okay, wala bafethu. Igama lami ngubanelo kaNkosi, yabo. Yeah. Abangaziyo location bathi nguSonic. Yabo bangibiza ngoSonic, yabo. Yeah, but I'm called Setoku. I'm a rapper.
Yeah.
I do music. Yeah, I do hip hop. Yeah, and ngiyawashamanya art forms akhona, yangithola.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm basically born and raised in K1, yabo. Yeah, ngikhule khona. Yeah.
Okay.
Fully around the environment yakhona. Yeah, dog. Yeah, abangicabayo vele.
Sure.
Yeah, Setoku, the shaman of ramen, yangithola.
Yeah, when you pay it down. It's like ngikhohlwe izazala yabo.
Hey, shit. Aish. No, and the bonga shanga na freestyle ne.
Aliko la freestyle. Aliko la freestyle. Mara, let's do the show, man.
Yeah.
So I don't even want to cut it because
Okay,
I don't even want to cut it.
All right. nje yeah ngusethu gumbi nje
Sure. Yeah. So Kamban, what's happening very life in yakho no? What are you doing? Sikhona izinto ezintsha ozenzayo. Are you dropping? Are you recording? Are you Kamban? Are you performing anywhere?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm recording, dog.
Okay.
Definitely, I'm recording.
You're recording.
Yeah, I'm preparing a mixtape.
Sure.
An EP. Yeah, a mixed EP. I was born in but I'm preparing a compilation. A compilation of other things.
Okay.
I have a single Zopuma, I think probably 20 young tall.
Sure.
Yeah. Depending on the distributor. I'm also I'm doing other art forms. Recently I was doing some theater works of Tola.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, but those are my pieces I'm talking but yeah, there's definitely music coming out, and then performance wise on the 28th I think I'm performing a K1 in Ada 6
28 Liz.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Engulubeni. Yeah, Engulubeni season 2 episode 1 ngithola amachita ngada nawo pushing movement ngada K1 yabo. Shout out to K Mars, the authentic music group ngithola. Yeah. So yiba bazobe bashaya event yabo. So yeah, and then we'll see vele yabona sesiyaphuma emakhazini ngithola. We'll see where summer goes on ngithola. Yeah, sure.
So for someone who's never been Karai Katlong and ongaplomi kada ngicela ungidescribe nje am injani kahle K1.
Okay. K1 gas, ne?
Sure.
Just like any other gas, ngithola you will find a lot of characters there.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, ngithola khona bomrapper, ngithola khona amapanzula, khona ngithola gangsters, ngithola khona religious people, ngithola there's just goofy people ntanga zoyenza ilanga lakho libe grand nje, maybe uphume endlini ngithola ucabange zakho uhlangane nomuntu akuphaphele and then ngithola smile in your face ngithola. Yeah, there's ngithola. Yeah. But yabo njengamanye amakasi okay linobu rough balo dog ngithola. Yeah, ngithola. It's just ikasi but just in yabo as mina umuntu okhulele la ohlala la dog, like I just focus on the positive aspects izinto ntanga.
Yeah.
Dog.
So hip hop iqala nini for wena? Iqala usestrateni, iqala useskela or lifestyle nje yaphakathi endlini khamba?
Yo yabona hip hop ne.
Sure.
Hip hop culture ngidobhe esikolweni. Back in primary. I think I endlini I grew up around music ngithola.
Okay.
Yeah, abazali bami were fanatics we music dog yabo. So ngithe mangifika esigela ngithola there was this guy ngithola bengibloma naye like kanje vele yabo. But he was a bit older than me ngithola. He introduced me to an Eminem song ngithola ngisakhumbula yeyiphi ngithola. I listened to that song twana ngithola ngahlanya dog ngithola, like yo I went crazy ngithola, like I mean like okay yazi English asigela mabakufundisa dog, like ama figures of speech,
sure
metaphors, similes ngithola ngithola zonke lezi zinto lezi dog. So ngezwa that silezo engomeni ngithola in one talk ngithola nangapha the flow was crazy ngithola like I fell in love dog ngithola. And then ngisabheke lokho he gave me a whole bunch of hip hop artists to listen to from 50 Wu-Tang ngithola futhi nabeka into underground hip hop ngithola. And back in that day trap trap was beginning to formulate angithola and I le trap lesicava no angithola le manje dog angithola
Okay.
I'm talking about TI trap Lil Wayne dog angithola u 2 Chainz before about 2 Chainz angithola
Yeah. Okay. Before we
yeah yabo.
Let's figure
So yeah, it was that era dog and
Sure.
umuntu ongintroducer to this culture he's underground with it angithola
Yeah.
mina okay ngifascinate ungawu Eminem yabo and he's at that time beka kuthiwa commercial angithola yeah he wasn't underground with that dog and then ngikhula kule era dog yabo you would be dissed for saying rapper angithola
Yeah.
yeah
True.
yeah
true.
bazokudisa dog like
Yeah.
yeah ngeke badlale nawo yangithola so ngibuya da dog yangithola
Okay, yeah,
so
yeah, sure.
lento le ngiloko ngithanda ne it started manje I stopped listening shuthi ngathi I stopped listening yangithola I started writing yangithola
Sure.
my own writing yangithola based on textbooks engithole esigele English
Okay.
yangithola maba explain ukuthi okay lento le so ngayispanisa so and then I start yacava dog it's as simple as yabo lento esikele abakutshela ukuthi create a sentence with these
Yeah.
words icala da
Galagada. Okay.
yabo so it went I started mastering angithola yeah writing level ukurapper vele but I didn't even record anything dog yabo ngisase ngithe mangifike high school bese ngithola ama cipher ngithola isigela emakhoneni ngithola yeah makube kubanga kwiclass ngithola ore akunathize class sekune cipher nyana thola abo rapper vele yabo siya-rapper dog it grew ngithola to sengiraphe estradini emashop ngithola makhona ngiraphela amachitami they don't know they listen to hip hop but they're not into it ngithola naliwo challenge ngizoyithola ukuthi khona umuntu engirapha naye need to ngithola yazi competitive sport le ngithola untwana makafike neverse elintswimbu I need to pull up with the dope verse intanga yabo so into ezinjalo bezingaka ngithola
Okay.
yeah
ngikuphethe dam so ke ngoku khona la eKatlehongo ngawaphi ama OGs or ama local artists that aye akubona and akwenza mhlamba aku inspire aku inspire for you to believe ukuba ngaba no man you can actually do this.
Dog online
Sure.
Based on my journey ngisaqala like there was no one dog ngithola that's why nabantu who are abokucala ukuthi bamamela i-exam dog
Yeah.
ngithola maybe they might be wonder ukuthi why le i-rapper nge-English why i-rapper ngamanye ama-concept dog ngithola I don't focus on what's happening around ngithola cause into engicava mina ne and what I believe ukuthi you are the way you are ngithola influence played a part in that being ngithola ukuthi ukhetha ukuthi okay ngile out so influence ngithola yeah in that era njengoba le era ngokutshela ngayo ngithola ukuthi you get dissed for being a rapper ngithola at that time bekhala ikwayita bomntuna it was like rap ngithola but I couldn't relate kuyo because I was stuck with this thing writing yabo nangapha there was moments where bebangangivumeli ngiphumele ngaphandle endlini ngithola so yabo street life ngisicava ngithola but I didn't wanna focus on that ngithola I rather teach ngithola in my song ngithola than ngithola yabo lento engikhulume ngazo ama metaphors nani ngithola washaye dog ngithola even tell your listener ukuthi this is a metaphor ngithola so now he or she knows ukuthi oh yo kuma writing a metaphor so then as I grew ngithola in this thing ngithola mangicala in my journey kule rap and trying to blow up ngithola yabo so I came across the likes of Questa angithola
Yeah,
abo Rizin angithola even TLT angithola yeah like from hip hop sessions to ama events angithola ahod angithola yeah and I remember one time Questa once told me angithola some rapper dog angithola and Questa once told me ukuthi I rap like I'm already done with the game angithola
Bro.
yeah I've already won my awards I've already achieved sengchilile nje angithola so it was that energy angithola so that inspired me ukuthi okay so ukuthi no he probably saw ukuthi ngizoba yini angithola while I'm still on that journey
Yeah,
angithola that was inspiration angithola that's why I still do this nano angithola so and it was back from 2014 dog na probably naye akakhumbuli dog because we were in an event angithola there's a lot of shit going on angithola but that dog and from a guy from K1 like ngabona gogo wakhe I can just barely khona out engicavayo engirapha nayo angithola ebloma opposite nakabo magogo gaQuesta la shayile the Rick Ross video angithola so that's inspiration dog angithola like
yeah,
so
sure.
A guy like that close angithola from seeing this nigga at TV share a stage naye and then he tells me that angithola and then he brings abo Rick Ross egas dog so
that was really dope. That was a really
so that's why I know
yeah.
angithola yeah
So being an artist that you are, can you take me through processes that you go through for you to say, okay, now this is my track, say where studio times, studio prizes, transports, yonke nje lento le, like athina our processes, how do you get a song done?
Njami it takes okay well first of all give me its energies angithola vibration angithola like hands splome angithola yeah if we were not on the same frequency ngabe asikho yi angithola so that means angithola vibrations qala yabona mangizocala an idea sparks angithola because iqala from an idea angithola an idea oh kukanje and then kuzodingeka an instrumental like this angithola yeah and then I go there angithola instrumental angithola or sometimes kusanokufika that idea and then I write upon it without any instrumental angithola and then from those pages or notepad phone angithola hlale maybe ne producer or just chill alone sometimes ngiyenze kancane where I can get far and then ngindlulise iye komunye umuntu afake isandla sakhe angithola yeah so it's that process intanga but the fun part about editing lene like from like a build up a track ne when I write I'm thinking these bars and how to put sentences angithola how to make angithola tell you ukuthi the container yevati inevati without telling you ukuthi inevati phakathi angithola into ezinjalo dog like the excitement yayo that thing leyo ukuthi oh angithola and that thing leyo low energy isuka da until when amasongizwa ngirapper and then so be amazed by what I'm saying I got amazed first but how mangicabanga ngibhala angithola so qala da dog energy dog track ngivaye ngithola okay sometimes it gets hard dog angithola that's why ngisana advise ama artist about ukuthi athola ama home studios wabo angithola because the recording that's the hard part mawungena angithola yeah angithola if you want to minimize costs
okay
yeah if you want to minimize cost get your home studio angithola yeah okay I usually angithola go to angithola people I have relationships with yabona into in this industry I learned it's relationships angithola esinawo angithola yeah yabo so if idog yami has a studio, yangithola, we work, yangithola, we collaborate, yangithola.
Sure.
Yeah, we collaborate, yangithola. Yeah, so he has a share in my project that I'm doing, cause yabona, I'm bringing,
Spanish
yeah.
studio sakhe.
Ngangithola,
Nice,
we help each other, dog. Hence we, yangithola, mele sihlanganise sisonke, yangithola. So
no.
isukela udog angishayele, angirecordele, yangithola. Yeah, si arrange dog. We gonna arrange, yangithola, ama arrangement esiwayenza, yangithola.
Yeah.
Ama imvumelwano siyavumelana, yangithola. Yeah, and usually I pay, sometimes I pay vele studio time, yangithola, mixing, mastering, yangithola.
Yeah.
Yeah, yangithola. And then when it comes to releasing, I release my songs, yangithola. Yeah, kuma vele distributors lawa akhona, yangithola. Yeah, it depends on which one I feel it's best at that time.
Okay.
Yeah, ngithole.
So for an artist mhlambe ongana studio nyana endlini for ukuthi akhona ukuzenzela yonke into, how much do you think it cost for itrack eli-1 to be recorded and then balmaster kahle nje ikhona la ekhasi?
Yeah, 400 to 800 dog.
400
to 800, yeah. But if
That's
you just
one song.
yeah, if you just wanna record G, it's gonna be 200. So you
Okay.
have to move there.
Yes,
Uthola omunye umuntu okumasterela, pay another
uzokumasterela.
fee ukuthi yangithola. But
Yeah,
I'm
anyway
saying
uzofika.
yangithola, yeah.
Yeah,
If
okay.
you wanna get yangithola, yabo.
Yeah.
But I believe dog. About sometimes be hands on dog. Yangithola.
Yeah.
Yangathi artist.
Sure.
You're gonna end up in front of the mic. Often was what makes the mic send the sound, the frequency sound, begin.
Ne. No, ngiyakuthola.
So,
Ngiyakuthola
but then it costs that much, dog, yangithola. But yeah, we grind, dog, yangithola. We grind, yangithola. And lo mali, you probably can get your own mic nyana. Yeah, sasinabo team, sasinabo. Ngayithola mic, dog. But then yeah.
So xa ucinga especially la eKatlehong, zintoni basically ezidingwa ngawo ama-artist asakhulayo khona la to actually make it?
First of all, dog, platforms, dog.
Okay.
A few of my platforms, dog, yangithola, wama artists, and not just actually hip hop or
Yeah.
music, just in the art kuyo yonke, as a whole, dog, like platforms, dog, yangithola.
Yeah, yeah.
There's movements azamayo mfethu, yangithola. There's movements azamayo, yangithola.
Okay.
But it's not enough, yangithola. There need to be like certain platforms in Tanga where artists go to freely without kunama gatekeepers ukuthi ngoba ngicava MK mina, yangithola. MK nabangani bethu yithi so performa la kuphela.
Yeah.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True yayenzakala
Yangithola.
vele
Yeah.
lento leyo.
And just let everyone, cause angithi sifuna the world to hear us, yangithola. Yeah. And laba ba gatekeeper ukuthi umhlaba usizwe, yangithola. Kumele singene ema platformini wabo ukuze umhlaba usizwe. So why don't we create our own platforms, yangithola.
Yeah.
And then the world will come in, yangithola. Futhi manje we have the internet, dog.
Bro.
Let's just nje
Yeah,
song and sibe united as groups, platforms, organizations, and just create platforms that more platforms for artists to showcase themselves. Dog, I grew up beginama theater nights, in one of the halls at Sekatlo.
Yeah.
No mangathu yakulelo hall, it's abandoned.
House to let.
If you have to, as an artist, if you have to go and book that space to create an event or to rehearse, there's a fee.
There's a fee ekumele uyibhadale. You are unemployed ngapha uzoyithatha vani?
Yeah,
I
so
know. Yeah, I know.
so izinto ezinjalo ezingizwisa inhliziyo ebuhlungu yanjalo
Yeah,
ngithola
yeah.
yeah and we try as artists dog we try.
So if you would maybe have 5 minutes kunye no Ekurhuleni MMC for esports kunye ne-arts and culture, what would you ask for, especially for ama-artists wasekatlehong?
Yeah, it would depend on how entire meeting yethi kanjani ngithola. Yeah, if it's briefish izoba hard to explain, but we need to like
You have 5 minutes now.
sit down. Okay, so okay,
Ngihleli
5 minutes.
phansi,
Yeah,
me
5
too.
minutes is not even
Yeah.
enough marape. Yabo ngamkhalela dog ukuthi
Sure.
dog yabo lento engiceda kuzimenshina vele ngithola.
Let's pretend as if
Yeah.
he or she is listening to you ngoku or ukubhekelele no khawumxelele what is it that
Okay,
you want for ekatlehong?
I would like I'd wish ukuthi ikatlehong nje angithola as a whole ama artist abe taken care of angithola. There should be facilities akhona ne, they should
Access
make
to those
sure
facilities,
ukuthi ama artists have access to ama loan ama facilities lawa, and if they could support ngithola support ama riding dog ama artists in whatever they are doing. For instance, if there's a show eyenzakalayo in this certain place, bangezi kuphela bazothatha i-database ngithola and just sign us and then leave dog. Ngithola basitshela ukuthi sisema database but nothing is happening. What's going on ngithola. Ama organization applyela ama funding ngithola athole those certain funds abalone ukuze ba boost, because it's not for them only, it's for lama artists aselone ngithola. It's said ukuthi kusambe ama forums meetings nani ngithola kukhalwe nga same issues every time, same issues and
Bro.
there's no guiding ngithola. Kube bathi for instance they tell us to collaborate ngithola. As artists we do collaborate, we create little nyana movements ama alliances are guiding ama artists, but still ngithola it's lezo zinto lezo dog, like let's set support guiding, because sports, arts and culture is the driving movement of anything yabo. Masingabheka for instance a building, there's someone who drew something there for that building to be laying in stone and immediately ngakhona ngithola. Even the bricklayer is an artist ngithola, but we taken as clowns ngithola. I think yabo, but I would love ukuthi bas support it, like be hands on into ngithi it's they are in charge of sports, arts and culture ngithola. So why is ama artist asafara, but when we make it out there, when we come back from the world bazosiclaim ukuthi we are he product of
and unyanisile mfethu, because one of the things knowing is cabanga, especially with facilities and access.
Sure,
because it's not like we do not have facilities. We do have facilities such as your community halls, none. And those facilities are supposed to be maintained by the money that you are paying for our tax and all of that. But because Leo Maleo is not doing what it's supposed to do, we then have to go siyoqasha ihholo that is supposed to serve a community.
Sure.
We all qasha ihholo for you to be able to do these events and all of that. Of which kuthafu mfethu, kuthafu. So that is why I actually wanted you to actually have some moment inyana and say something to MMC. Yabo, maybe there's something abangayi consider or abangasiza ngayo as communities, because the only places where it's easy to have access your performer and showcase talent lakho or ispan sakho, especially for thina ama artists, kusemaklabhini emathaveni etshwaleni nje where alcohol is there
Mfethu.
yabo never the safe spaces kuma
Exactly.
community halls nani of which we blame the government for leyo nto leyo we 100% blame the government for leyo nto leyo because if ever it can be seen by people who want to promote alcohol and all of that why can't the government that wants to promote development in community see leyo nto leyo
yeah angithola
and open facilities for us to
dog,
come
yeah.
and yabo
and there's also land dog and spaces angithola
spaces.
phenduka iganga mfethu
Ama-parks.
phenduka ama angithola
Yeah.
we can sports field mfethu angithola
Yeah.
there's this culture ekhulile yama bicycle
Okay,
angithola ne
yeah.
skateboard dog these kids don't have a park angithola we imele hamba for instance eJemiston or
Yeah.
ahamba eSpruitview to skate da usually basestradini idanger elapho dog there's no such facilities and if akhona angithola akude or they're not accessible angithola hence nama performance yabo njengoba ukhuluma ukuthi the only places we showcase our arts as performers sema pubs sema clubbing nani dog ngake nga invite my parents to come watch me dog bahamba ngaka perform no perform because of
the place and guess what you place abakunikeze opportunity le to go and showcase the sponsor
angithola
so sinenkinga dam
no dog so
Yeah,
yabona the MEC ngathi like they could put hands on ngithola like baqinisa isandla and they've been nozayo we come and talk to him sihlale naye as federations movements nani baset up ama meeting kuwo lamaholo lawo esingekho access and the only time we access these walls is when bazosihlalisa phansi bazokhuluma yilona basitshele ngama budgets and stuff nani budgets we don't even recognize inyuku yakhona ngithola they come and then when uyahamba uyazenzela ngithola you go and touch the world outside ngithola yabo ubuye mawubuya bayaclaim ngithola ukuthi it's the product yase South Africa he but I never had yabo bengise back room emkhukhwini ngithola trying to master this craft ngithola ngireyezela space esincane ngithola ngabe ngineholo ngabe ngine stage ngithola ngirehezela kuso ukuthi dog but into engikhala ngayo let them work let them not sit there in fancy suits angithola with fancy cars angithola let them come angithola yeah mabeza bangasayinisa bangasayini la riding as I said ngithola ngibora kanjani le data capturing
askizi but then yeah it's always the question I get now when I go knock ukuthi ukhona ku data so khona ku data so khona ku data so like yeah but anyway asikho so how would you like abantu base Katlehong specifically to support you better not only by ukustream music wakho yabona let's talk about mhlawumbe ukuthenga ama tickets coming to watch you perform live and all of that because I tell you now if ever people are only going to focus on streaming music we're in trouble AI is taking over AI is taking over the stream
ngama robot
so the only thing that's gonna work for an artist now it's for you to go and give us a live performance
be with people don't be like physical yabona njaya mne into engikhala ngayo dog yabo especially for people from my hood ngithola my block people dog like K1 dog everyone if we starting from everyone who knows me dog ngithola whether you from K1 or not dog the thing ngithola okay stream I know y'all stream I know ngithola and I know some y'all act like y'all stream but fade ngithola the support is there mara yacava yini dog engikhala ngayo mina ukuthi there's this angazi trend about people you know how close people act like ngithola when bafuna Mozo perform bafuna when it's convenient for makube ngiperformela la eduze makube ngiperformela in a pub like us kana you can come in ngithola
Yeah, if ever.
and
you're
what
going
mara
out
makube
town.
ngithi edog ngisaye ePulukwane ngithola okay fedi go rough but the efforts dog ngithola angithi uhlaluza njalo ngithola
Yeah,
like
once in a while,
once in a
show up
while
and down.
mfethu ngithola we can even go together ngithola arrange sivaye sonke buy the ticket dog sivaye sonke dog support me dog
Yeah,
ngithola cause manje akusizi dog uthi uncane ukungisupporta manje and then maseng blow upile you gonna come out yami ungifone cabanga ungifonela udaki uhleli namajita akho I'm working e studio uzongifone dog nazi lezazi ngibelieve ukuthi manje mina ngiyacaba that's why abanishanga ebhom labantu bese nithi ba actor ngani manje mara ukhohle ukuthi bongangi-support
It does happen.
ngithola ngithola ukhohle ukuthi bongangi-support mara ufuna i-backstage pass ufuna ngokuhlanganise no-someone ngithola i-idol yakho but ngithola so yiyo into engiyichulayo dog mina from everyone who knows me and everyone who's still gonna know me and my fans ngithola like support mina nami ngizokusupporta ngithola even my closest people bayacava dog mina I support everybody when I know you I support you dog
Sure.
because I see the excitement in it dog the passion dog
Ash, before you get there, I have this one last question. It's gonna be a bit personal, but I think it's a must to continue because you are a young person. You are living in a township of Blomekasi, and you are unemployed. On top of yonke le nto le umjida. How's that?
Dog. Dog. Abona mfana it gets hard dog. That's why. Abona I'm one person dog. I like to That's one. Yeah. Deal with it dog and then ngithola and ezinye izinto dog mazenzakala dog ngithola I try to find positivity in it because kuyo ntanga diding ngithola because ngithola it's hard dog
Bro.
It's hard dog being out ekasi ngithola black awusipani ngithola nepani awusitholi ipani thola ama internships ama learnership that's gonna last 6 months none they don't gonna pay you you have ngithola a daughter or a son ngithola you have kids ngithola uhlala kini ngithola lifestyle ngithola your lifestyle you want society's lifestyle all on you ntanga ngithola so as art dog this is my escape in all that dog ngithola books escape ngithola watching informative content podcasts and people nje aba out there abakhulumayo dog about ngithola ngithola I'm not religious dog I tried religion ngikhule ngisase incusi ngakhula nayo dog bebangishaya ukuthi angiyange Sunday school dog ngithola so I'm not there dog ngithola but kanyiwa bafethu but yazini lokunyiwa lokhu yazini training dog ngithola training dog kumele ube you are so gender it's ngathi singama okay I'm talking based on it out dog angazi abo taking by face and but they have their thing abayifaceayo nabo hence angithola angithola sina all versions are negative abuthekeni. I don't wanna mention classes and stereotypes, dog.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you know, angithola, it's not because
woke up
sifuna ukuba uzithola hence sinabubhudi nabosisi ababhizi nama-drugs intensively yangithola. It's hard, it gets hard yangithola. It gets for other people abanye abantu bayavaya like leave this earth vele yangithola. Umuntu azithatha impilo yakhe because it's hard, dog yangithola. It's hard ntanga as abona mina personally, dog, I tried, dog. That's why hlezi ngismilile. My cap says good vibes only. Noma ku negative, I try to find something positive.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Bro. So how many? Okay. It is in context, but it's okay if you won't know the exact number. But zingaki elections, especially local elections, eziyenzakele ukhona, and where you could comprehend the situation, yabo. And kushintshe ntoni? What is it that you can say, you know, after sivotile, lena yashintsha for the better? And as a young person, no, we are approaching i-4 yaka November where we are going to vote for our local leaders wethu. How confident are you?
Dog. Politics angekho kuyo kangako ne. I tried ukungena politics, dog. That's what I tried. That's what, from party to party, dog. It's all the same thing, dog. That's what. Angazi ama elections ayingakhi ne. That's what. I know it's my right, utmost right to vote. That's what. Utmost right. But there were so many elections. I couldn't ngengwabali, dog. Local and national, dog. I couldn't count where I couldn't vote. That's all. I couldn't vote. That's all. There's campaigns they do. Why? Okay, let me ask this question. Why do these parties campaign when it's close to elections? Why don't you campaign no matter the cost? And you campaign, can't you have these promises you're promising people? Ungena endlini house to house, like mina the nerve ukuthi ungena endlini yabantu kuthola ugogo lapha uzihlelele mfethu ucakwe nabantwana bakhe ngithola oyiwani usematu kuma drugs umunye unabantwana ubashiye naye uhambile ngithola God knows where. Ngithola magogo bamshiyeni inkinga ngithola all they do is take ama grant even neka kagogo ngithola. And then you come there, you sit nokumagogo down, tshela promise ukuthi nalo elinto ezi grand, we're going to change this, we're going to change that, we're going to change that. Umthathele nogesi ngaleso sikhathi ngithola. Okay, if they have their reasons why ugesi or any other problem enzakalayo ama-sewage ngithola ungene kwenye indlu ucwele i-sewage uzuyijumpe iflooded indlu ne-sewage. It's been months ngekho umuntu ozo iyawoma overflow bazicleanele ngithola ngiyafika hey this and that is going to change me, I'm better than whoever, me I'm better, and then the next thing ukhansela sekahlale Aspen Hills or Albertine or kuphi ngithola akasekho la khulele khona lezi zinto bekakhala ngazo before he decided to take initiative ukuthi abe ukhansela ngoba now is rubbing shoulders with other people ngithola bamthembise sethi namanzo bamthreatenishile, we may never know ukuthi why service delivery ngayenzakali. So it's pointless, dog. Until we're going there, it's gonna be the same thing. We're gonna vote. Someone's gonna sit there. Is gonna chill and relax, eat the benefits of being there in that chair, and then the next one will come again. So, can you talk about? I wonder what's left now. Angazi something else. I want much benjan. Angazi something way more intenser. Angithona. Kwayenzakala a couple of years ago ngeFees for it almost escalated. So this is how it is in a country too, or where we live, our neighborhoods. Drugs, gang violence. And so, I cancel. And so, I'm voting cancel. So go vote. It's a crowd down the street. So go vote. Uzova.
Yeah.
It's called.
Inkosi kakhulu man for taking time ukuthi ushayele around Vandag. Personally I really appreciate le nto leyo. There's a lot of things that's ringing as a Vandag. I for one I thought I knew you. Now I even understand you. I now have a picture of Ikatohong, of K1. I always looked at ama-artist afana nabo Quest and be like, ilezi vele ezenza ngathi zincane kasi because they know bangabe imali sekasi, yabo. But the encouragement awakunikeza yona 2014, which is still burning for 2026, it makes me ukuthi ngimbone in a different way. Recruitment, recruitment, sure. We do have abantu abafana nabo Mr. Gaten Mackenzie who are in the sports and arts and culture. People that we can call on to come and assist us. Change leadership left, right and center, but then everything
they never say him talk.
Yeah, well, so we are only like pleading with the leadership yonke to see us. Yeah,
must recognize it, dog. Take our craft serious, dog. But I tell you, too serious, dog.
Serious, yeah.
Yo, because there was once there was once a time in one meeting,
yeah,
they were like, sports, arts and culture doesn't add value that much, dog, in the economy. I was like, what? And dog, in dog. The reason we're out there right now, the reason the world is fascinated is because of this.
Man, that is a lie.
Yeah,
it is a lie.
I was telling us just to brush us off.
Just to brush us off.
Because man, we are bonus.
I always say, Wuti, look at when maybe kudlala idabi, yabo, and then kuwina Kaizer Chiefs. Look at indlela i-country vele ibhume ngayo mfethu. Ngokwe-economy sibali. Like ama-businesses aya-benefita left, right and center. Kukho ama-benefit khona. And si-sports lesi esenze leyo nto leyo. Yabo? So, if every team A1 is able to do leyo nto leyo, why can't they invest nakwezinye izinto in sports so that they can be able to do the very same things?
For instance, dog, we have these local tournaments and leagues. Dog, bro, why don't they just invest? Dog, like, why don't they just invest? Dog, they like bona beze bazopika those certain players. Why don't you? Make it official, vele ukuthi it's street football, dog. Like any like compete, yangithola kube ni yabona what they did in Women's World Cup. There wasn't a Women's World Cup, but they actually did that. Mara sesikhuluma in a global scale. Sure. We start this here. It's gonna go to, there's other makasa abadlala i-team abadlala professional street football yangithola
Yeah.
shower another platform yangithola to tidings yangithola
Yeah.
put that funds there ntanga support yangithola ama tidings sanjalo ntanga yangithola but yeah because you know imzansi culture ye disc yangithola we are a culture vibrant I disc we are sports arts and culture sonke mina nginimela umuntu oyi1 ongafuni ukuba famous ukuvela somewhere TV or yabonakala yangithola sonke dog like I can call ngiphume eplazini ngime ngaphandle ngithi namhlanje ngishaya music video you see 10 out because somebody wants to see themselves in front of the screen. Yeah, so why don't you support that? Show the world what we can do.
Bro. And as we are approaching one of our local elections, I know abo councillors ababhaya, they like to think ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi bazoba ngabo super councillor when they get the positions. We get that, guys. Ayiphumi kunemali ezibhukuthweni. We get that anina mali. So when we are coming to ask anything from you, we're not literally asking it from you. But then you have the keys where yabona.
Angithi link that the chain dog. Yangithola. So ukuze wena ube da angithi there's someone you report to and there's someone he reports to like angithi thina siza kuwe wena izobuya same process futhi yangithola khona la ibreaker khona endleleni yangithola isanokungakhuphuki ilink yangithola I worked in sound dog yangithola in one of my work journeys go arts yangithola I worked in sound dog there was this thing abayibiza signal flow yangithola from us yabona nje wasikhuluma kanje on this mic yangithola it's my voice I'm the source of yangithola dialing le yangithola ngikhuluma la ingena la ihamba ikebulini iya ku mixer we adjusted iyangena ye APK iphume sezizwiwa abantu dance to it. That's the flow of thing. That's how current bebasigelelisisa nasascale electric current. That's how things support like le chain okay the leadership yani ke if there's not going to be a chain that's izinto zihamba ngayo.
You know, I wish we can vote for our councillors that are going to create relationships in our local businesses. Regardless mfethu ukuthi it's under art business or music but create relationships with those businesses because as a councillor you are the one on a power yokuthatha abantu babeke endaweni eyi1 and convince them ukuthi no guys imali yenu can rotate yikini and this is how you can do it.
Check dog. Spicer shop.
Sure.
Ekhaya spicer shop. Abantu bazothenga isinkwa in few blocks away. Yangithola khona intwana ine clothing brand. Ithengisa amabruko ikipa nani.
Sure. Yebo.
He's hungry.
Uzozoka lo shop azothenga igawu.
Yeah, I need to wear clothes.
Wear clothes. Uzovakaya.
Uzoya. Khona une salon le. Uyasigunda uyasenzana. Khona unama veg. Ngithola yonke le why do we have to rely on that's why I hate it when someone ogcoke maybe a clothing brand yaya kwenye country let's say Italy azoflexela omunye umuntu ohlala naye in the same neighborhood and ekuni soyi2 sazi umuntu othunga impahla even better than this guy wase Italy
sifuna nje le brand
ngoba untwana ibrand yakhe isayithoku hayi ngiyamcava.
Yeah, they always say local brands is fake and then ama international brands ngawo.
Okay, what is original? Mina ngicela ukubuza yabona in all forms what is original? Dog every idea came, where do your thoughts come from? Because ayaphuma ayangena. I-ideas ngayithola siyi-5 though. Kuya ngokuthi ubani execute ekucala.
Sure.
Yangithola. Yeah, same idea. And kanjani execute kanjani. Yangithola. Khona umuntu oshaye imoto yogesi 1800 yangithola. Khona oshaya namhlanje. Same idea.
Yeah.
Different timelines. Yangithola. So what is original? Okay, ngishaya skipper sound ngishaya skipper sakhe ngi what line what mina ngicove isikhumba senkomo bebahlabe imbuzi ekhaya inkomo eplazini kumsebenzi ngasithi ngashaya esinye skip or coat so kuyi Hong Kong that dog it straight from the cow ngithi Hong Kong kanjani
Bro. Athi ngikudedele now man this I was saying no ndiyabulela kakhulu man for this moment osikayona it's really a pleasure Katlehong now umuntu wenu guys now umuntu wenu you've heard from him you've seen him cela nimsupport ngayo yonke indlela that you can actually support him. He's one of the young people abangaspani kasi who are using music as a therapy and ihasile yabo. So guys, you know, akwapho siyoncede kakhona. Even kuma companies you can get whatever qualifications you tin you'll get ama rejections because the system doesn't say it's not about what you have it's about who you know. Yabo. So
relationships
sihlala nani kasi thina sazi nina and it's you guys who are actually going to boost us. So that is why sicela kuwe to actually come through for us. Nabo bo cancel soba votela come through for us guys. Please. And I always say the only time uzokhona ukuwina award ngayo because you'd find ukuthi abantu won't even be interested ukuthi bavaye bayovota yabo and leyo party leyo obviously ebeyiphethe iwadi izochubeka iwine yabo because abantu bayo mhlawumbe bona baphethane kahle and all of that but then for those parties ezifuna ukwenza umsebenzi the only time where you're going to have a chance yokuwina iward it's when you are engaging nabantu abasha. We are the voters guys. We are the voters and we are the future. Yeah, well, it's not like maningi ngabantu abadala no nebayela nasezindlini ukuthi ba register ukuvota nokuthi bavote bazoshona kuzosheka thina abantu that and maintain inga yethu bangaba mayihlala ikhona. So I still say mna penetrate youth guys, you're going to win. Yabo. So thank you very
ngiyabonga doc
wala yeah
awe